Welcome to the to-do list, the homework for week 6. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you completed last week's hybrid, which says to see week 5. So click on that. When you're in week 5, click on the green hybrid. And in this hybrid, if you click on the submission link here, it tells you the directions for this assignment called 21st Century Literacy. Click on it. And what you're going to be doing is creating your free account and investigating what is digital citizenship. So you'll need to log in and create a free account and then follow here steps 2. Well, first step 1. And then go to step 2, and then step 3, this exit ticket response. This is the main part that you should be sharing and putting in your notebook, and that's what you would be submitting a photo of. Okay? The other thing to do is you as a writer. In the back of the book, put a new story down. This should be your third one. So we did 6-word stories, we did a name, poem, or story, and now there should be 3 more after that. Okay, keep up with that. And then the new homework for the week will be to reading part 4 in the book for this class. I put the directions here as well. New ideas, 2 quotes, 1 question. If you also go to the submission link down below here, it has all of the directions as well. So just in a page in your notebook, what are 3 new ideas? 2 quotes that inspired you and a question that left you wondering. And okay, that's for here. You can check out also the rubric for how it's graded and then submit that. And again, you just do that on a page in your notebook and continue working on your read aloud lesson plan. I put that as number 3 in here as well. You should have a lot of that already saved to your laptop. Okay, but the link in here, if you wanted to look at my lesson plan, etc., is all in there. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye.